Hello, welcome back to our channel. We're gonna see how far the water is from there, and how high it is. Like, it was raining like a tornado mixed with a hurricane, and it flooded there. And now let's see how big the water is. Birdie, shoo shoo. We're gonna walk and scare you. So you're gonna poop on our heads, but I'm gonna poop on you. Go, go, go. What am I? I already walked through it.
Oh my goodness. Wow, Fia, the water is all the way from here.
Someone just looked at us. Hello, neighbor.
Hello, neighbor. Have you ever seen the water backed up this far back before?
No. And it's higher.
It's the highest that I've ever seen.
Now
And so
now
windy.
She's gonna be scared.
Whoa. The tide is really high.
Woo! Oh. Wow, it actually pushes. Mommy, see, it actually pushes me.
I know, windy summer.
I'm leaning back. I was leaning back and I was like, see? Mommy, look, I'm leaning back.
You can see the wind blowing your hair.
Oh, it gets shaking my body off wind. Thank you. I wouldn't be behind you.
I'm gonna be behind you. Why?
Because I don't trust you.
I would never push you in this type of water, kiddo. That's not safe.
It's gonna be even higher for me now. Whoa! It actually pushed me. I look fast. Mommy, look how fast I'm gonna go. And look how slow. Yeah! Oh my god. Ah! Back. Oh, it's so hard. Whoa! Mommy, don't drop your phone because I'm gonna be extremely mad. And if you drop your phone, I'm gonna make you get an iPhone 11 Pro.
I would not.
Okay,
Now we saw how flooded it is. Go ahead, or you can go in front. Windy, it's so windy.
Get my toes. Get my toes. Stop.
The water is receding pretty quick because all of right here was flooded out.
I'm scared.
To jump in, you're gonna sink in there like quicksand.
Really?
No, you won't. Your feet will just get wet, that's all.